Hello, my crafty friends. I'm Deborah, the hands behind Taylor's Yarn Creations. I've been working on a lot of bags and hats, and so I thought I'd get on today and share with you my most recent creation. This purse is from Is Woolish Crochet, and I will link their information down below in the description. But this bag worked up. It took me a little bit of time because even though I'm not a slow crocheter, I'm not the fastest either. So this is like got the emerald green, the red, and then the cream color. I wanted to make the top cream color and the handles cream, but the vendor sold out of this color, and they don't know when they're going to get it back in stock. So I had to use at the bottom, I used invisible thread just so that it didn't show up too bad in the and it didn't look sloppy. I really didn't want it to look sloppy. So I really believe that your crochet is a reflection of your work and your craftsmanship. So that's very important. It has a snap enclosure, magnetic enclosure, is lined with matching color. This was probably the hardest part for me because I don't sew. I have a sewing machine, but I don't really sew, and so I hand sewed a lot of this. So that is what makes it so unique and so beautiful, is the fact that this purse right here is 100% handcrafted. And so I'm just in love with it. What I'm working on now is a drawstring bucket purse. I don't have a pattern for this. I'm just kind of going off the top of my head on this using single crochet stitch. It has a leather bottom with little feet, as you can see here, and I just attached the yarn, and in between each stitch I did a single crochet stitch, and then I did a chain stitch, single crochet, chain stitch, single crochet all the way around. And I'm using this denim blue. It's about a 2mm thread, and this ecru 2mm. And as you can see, it is right now it's going to be about blue, ecru, denim blue, ecru, denim blue. And then I've used as you can see, I use a size G 4mm hook, and you determine your hook size basically by what fits inside of these holes here. See, it fits nicely. I've seen some people on YouTube do 2 single crochet stitches in each one around, but since I didn't watch the videos before I actually started the process, I did it my way, and it turned out pretty good. So this is my next purse that I'm going to be doing, and I will come back on a different time and show you the results. But that's what I've been working on, and I thought I'd get on and share it with you. I'm going to do the drawstring. I'm probably going to do, let's see, some handles. That's a really nice complementary handle. I may even crochet it using denim blue. So just stay tuned, and I'll show you the results. Till next time, keep crocheting.